McDonald's is selling. Oh, I saw this one too. It's another crazy one.
Yeah, it's a funny one.
The Get Slim meal in China. Currently, a video is doing the rounds on social media that features the lady cycling on an exercise bike. Is this real? Like, I saw this clip and I couldn't tell if it was real or not.
Well, it was in an establishment.
I know.
And there were branding.
I know. Is it worth setting up these things as spoofs? I don't really know. It was posted on Twitter, doing the rounds on social media.
Yeah.
And it was said that it was a McDonald's in Shanghai, essentially eating. The way she was chugging the drink, she's in McDonald's, okay, on an exercise bike.
Yes.
And they're saying this is the Get Slim meal. So you get to sit on a McDonald's branded bike, stationary bike with a desk. See the way she's chugging the drink? Can you ride a bike and chug a drink like that?
Well, you can.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the way they edit it. I don't know. I was skeptical when I saw it.
Yeah, she's a savage with the drink.
The guy next door, on the other hand, he's just kind of sitting there. He's like, I don't care if it has pedals. I'm just going to do my thing. My typical McDonald's thing. I'm going to look at my phone, and I'm going to dip my French fry.
Yeah. He's doing the regular thing. But isn't exercise while you're eating bad?
Yeah, like, what is the message here? Okay, so eat what you want, and maybe it's to eat your meal and then do a little, or maybe you cycle first and then eat your meal?
I would say you would cycle first.
Yeah,
and then
that's
eat.
what you do. Maybe that's what you do. I don't know what you do, man. This is, again, I'm skeptical. I'm 50-50. I'm a coin flip on this, whether this is some kind of I got to go to Shanghai.
And how many calories are you burning, too?
No, I mean, she's not burning many calories.
With the amount of food that you eat.
Yeah.
You know what would be cool? I think some commenters saying that you ride the bike to power McDonald's.
So you ride the bike to pay for your meal.
Sure, something like that.
Right.
To make the cheeseburger or something.
Right, you're generating the electricity that's Black Mirror type stuff, man.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a crazy clip. It's a crazy clip. You guys tell me in the comments if it's fully legit. Somebody in Shanghai, go check that out for me.
Yeah.
Are people really cycling while eating McDonald's on a McDonald's branded cycle, chugging Diet Coke? I don't know.